Good morning, dear student. Today we will discuss about the characteristics of three-phase induction motor. Now, for drawing the characteristics of three-phase induction motor, we have to rewrite the Dark equation of three-phase induction motor and rewrite the basic equation for sleep. Now, I will start from Dark equation. T is equal to K divide by R equivalent plus small r divide by S plus X equivalent R by S. This is the Dark equation. And now, if we are talking about sleep equation, sleep may be defined as the S is equal to synchronous speed ns minus nr divided by ns. Here we will take three cases: motoring, generating, and braking. First of all, I will discuss about the motoring mode. In a motoring mode, the rotary speed will changes, nr changes from 0 to ns, and hence slip will be changes, changes. If we are putting nr is equal to 0, then slip will be 1, 2. If nr is become ns, then this will be converted into 0. Now I will talking about the generating mode. Here nr is changes to ns to ns. Slip will be changes 0 to -1. And in the last we have discussed about the braking mode. nr is changes to -0 to -ns. Here if we are putting 0, then slip will be 1, and here slip will be changes to 1 to 2. Here I am writing, this is the generating mode. This is motoring mode. And this is the braking mode. Now I will draw the characteristics of the three-phase induction motor. We have to take a reference point. This is the reference point, and this will start from here to this is the region for motoring region. We start from here to here, and this is the generating mode. And if we are talking about motoring mode, this speed will represented through the this axis, and torque is represented through the y-axis. This will be the torque T, and this will be the speed ENR, and yes, here if we are talking about motoring mode, here will be here zero, slip will be 0, and here slip will be -1. If here we are talking about this is the slip equal to 1, and here S is equal to 2, S is equal to 0, and S is equal to -1, which is already explained here. Now if we are talking about the speed ENR equal to 0, speed ENR is equal to ns, and here ENR is equal to 2ns, and if we are talking about here ENR is equal to minus ns, and this is the torque at maximum slip Sm. This is the operating point, this is the Tm, maximum torque, and this graph is represented electromagnetic torque. This is the characteristics of the three-phase induction motor. Here, this region is generating mode. Up, I will explain through the this equation. If we are talking about if we increasing the slip, if slip is increasing, then torque is decreasing. If slip is decreasing, then torque is increasing. Through this equation, here we will see that this start from here and going through this and come here. This is the characteristics of the three-phase induction motor. Thank you very much.